Today's practice invites you to find balance between effort and ease. Enjoy the journey. Starting in a cross-legged seat, side stretch to the right. Left hand to knee twist. Side stretch to the left. Right hand to knee twist. Baby cradle with the right leg. Grab hold of the toe, straighten the leg. Baby cradle on the left leg. Grab hold of the toe and straighten. Moving into straddle, reach over to the right side. And to the left side. Legs together in boat pose, grabbing hold of your toes. Plank, chaturanga, upward facing, down dog, right leg to the sky, into warrior two. Reverse, extended side angle, and flow. Down dog, left leg to the sky, warrior two. Reverse, extended side angle, plank, chaturanga, upward facing, down dog. Make your way to the top of the mat, rolling up, arms up, shifting to the long edge of the mat. Find goddess pose. Hands on knees. Twist the right shoulder to the left and left shoulder to the right. And one more time. Bring your legs back together. Arms to the sky and down to the chest. One more time.